I'm going to be doing today a second video that's going to support the first video that I created about investing in TRX, which is Bitcoin. It's just another way you can be investing. So the websites we're going to be using today are basically the same. We're going to be using TRX International for our mining purposes, and then we are also going to be using our wallet address as to be Binance. Binance is a very common website outside there. If you see, it's trusted by so many people. You're going to see that so many people come to these websites. Just see here, it's 150 million people visit this website every day. We're going to use this for our mining purposes. Let me just make things clear. So this is a website that you're going to be using to mine cryptocurrency, to mine Bitcoin, and the steps are easy. When you're able to sign up, or if you don't know how to sign up, please watch my previous video. It shows you how you can sign up so easy. You just need your phone number, email address. That's all. Very simple. And they give you bonuses. They give you 1,000 TRX upon sign up. And this website is, I would say, one of the best outside there. So let's kick in. So how do you deposit money into this website? So first thing you have to do is go to mine here. When you press on mine, they're going to take you to a website that looks like this. So deposit or withdraw. So we want to deposit first. When you deposit, I'm going to show you how you can also, of course, withdraw from this website the money you've mined so far. So this is the address they are going to tell you put money here. So just copy this address, then go back to your Binance. Binance, by the way, signing up is for free. You don't pay any penny. Go to wallet, for and spot, press on that, then you'll be taken into this website here. So what do you want to deposit? So you say you want to withdraw. That's what you're going to press, withdraw. Just a minute. Withdraw crypto. Address, the one, remember, the one we actually copied from here. You copy this address here, go to this withdraw crypto, then you put in the address here. Boom. See? So this is the one you're going to withdraw to. So what do we do here? We just put in that withdraw is this. Yes, correct. Then you just press the amount you want to withdraw. Let me put 20. 20. So after I put 20, you're going to receive 19 in your TRX international account. So I just press withdraw. Risk, just confirm and continue. Again, come on. No. Transfer, I do not. No. Okay. Yes, I confirm. Oh, successful. So so my TRX has been transferred, so continue. Yes, security verification. So here, this is where you're going to access the verification code is this. So I'm going to copy this. And then I'm going to put it here. Then authentication code, I'm going to put it 33.8. I think that's the one. So withdraw submitted. Waiting approval, complete. So that is how we transfer cryptocurrency to TRX International. Very easy, very easy. Okay. What next? What next is so you see this one is processing. I already sent this, so this one is processing. So let's just do so I transferred this before, so I want to show you how you can be mining with just 9 TRX, which is less than $1. So this is how you're going to be mining. Let's go back to our TRX. So get the deposit amount. You press this after you have actually done the deposit from the side. So it's going to appear here once it's actually approved, but it's not yet approved, so don't worry, it will come through. So right now I have 2034.77 TRX, which is equivalent to a lot of money. So let's try to withdraw. Withdraw is this. So this is what you press to withdraw. Account basic. Then now what you do, back here, if you want to withdraw, you do the opposite. Yeah, you do the opposite. So let's my page just load a minute. You go to withdraw. Yeah, if you want to withdraw from TRX from here to Binance, that's the step we are in. So deposit. So deposit, you say I want to deposit TRX. Come on, I want to deposit TRX. Deposit, yes. So when you're depositing, select the coin that is TRX. Network, the network you're going to select this one here, TRX again. Then you're going to just copy this address here. Just copy this address here. Expected arrival, everything is here. Minimum deposit is this. So we are going to go back to our TRX International. So this is how you paste your address from the other side. Then put in your password, then just press you're going to put in your password here, 0. Then you press confirm. It's going to so this is where you put, this is account. So I'm going to withdraw 0.22. This is right now what I can mine every day, 0.22. So I'm going to put it here, and I'll continue and paste my address from the other side here, from Binance, because the money is going to go to Binance. Then I put in my password, security password. Just a minute. Then you confirm, and withdraw successful. As you can see, my withdrawals are gone successful, and here it shows 0 because you've withdrawn the money. So that is it for today. Ask any questions if you want. Linked in the bio if you want to sign up for this website here and start mining right away. Every day you'll be receiving money that you can withdraw to your Binance account, and then from your Binance you can withdraw to your bank. So that is it for today. Thank you.